Okay, so you've got a Microsoft Surface laptop. Great. You have a Microsoft Surface pen. Great. When you open up Krita, uh-oh. When you open up Krita, when you're writing, you flip over the eraser, and whoa, it's still writing. Oh, it doesn't work. Yep. Doesn't work. Flip it over. Yep. Writes perfectly, but when you erase, no. That is very bad. Okay. How do we resolve this issue? First, you want to go into Settings, press Configure Krita. Whoops. Configure Krita. Press Tablet Settings. And then press Window 8 plus pointer input Windows Ink. Press OK. X out. Restart Krita. Do 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 do. Yeah, let me flip my pen. Yeah. Okay, create a new file. Let's check it out. Great. Okay, I'm writing. Let's see if it works now. Writing it all over the place. Flip it around. And look at what we have here. We fixed it. That's great. Let's flip it again. Works perfectly normal. Works perfectly fine. Yeah. Hope this helps. Have a good day, everybody. Bye. Again, recap. So you go to Settings, Configure Krita, go to Tablet Settings, and check the second box that says Windows Plus, Windows Ink. Press OK, restart the Krita, and it should work for your Surface pen on your Surface laptop. You can now use your Surface pen on Krita with the eraser tip working. On the other note, I've noticed with these tech videos, like technical fixing videos on the web, they're just rehashing instructions that have already been made clear in the development blog of the software that they're showcasing or people's solutions online. These so-called tech experts are just rehashing what they find online. The video I just did right now, I just saw the solution by Googling it and just presenting it in a better medium for you guys so that you could easily follow. I mean, I guess that's the point of it. But just a side note for you guys wondering, oh, how did this genius guy find the solution? Well, I just Googled it. Most of these tech videos, they just Google the fucking answer. And some of them don't even like give it much thought. They just do it. I guess what I would say is these, like, a lot of the YouTubers are just copying and pasting each other. That's what I find kind of hilarious. That's why it's kind of hard for you guys to find actual like solutions to your problem, and why on the internet you're like, oh, it's always the same solution, and I'm not getting anywhere. It's like I can't find the solution. Well, that's the problem. Nobody really knows because nobody has actually used their brain to figure out a solution. And also, like, all devices, it depends and all that, but most of the times everybody's just copying and pasting each other. So one way you could find the actual solution to your specific problem is to actually use your brain and Google it, you know. Use your reading eyeballs and your noggin, because the public education does not do anybody a good service. Something to be aware of. Like, YouTube isn't It's just a bunch of people just not knowing what they're doing, and there's like a small subset of people that actually know what they're doing, that are actually tech geniuses. Anyways, peace. Have a beautiful day.